Innovate manufacturing. This is the spirit of EMO Hanover 2025. Since its earliest days, EMO has been the global stage where breakthroughs in manufacturing take center stage. From digitalization and automation to robotics and sustainability, every edition sets the benchmark for innovation. At the very first edition of EMO Paris in 1975, REGO-FIX introduced its pioneering collet system, which was developed in 1972. Standardized under DIN 6499, it became the worldwide industry standard, revolutionizing tool holding for generations. The story of REGO-FIX began in 1950 when Fritz Weber founded his one-man company in Switzerland. By the 1980s, the company have expanded internationally, and in 1993, the collet gained global recognition.
REGO-FIX is a world-known manufacturer for superior tool-holding solutions. We are the inventor of the collet. We have introduced multiple other systems how you can clamp your tools, for example the micRun, or also the powRgrip system, which is our benchmark when it comes to ease of use in clamping your tool and also in terms of precision.
In 2012, the company halved its energy consumption while doubling production space, and in 2014, it launched the micRun system. In 2022, it proudly celebrated the 50th anniversary of the collet, a milestone that reflected both its pioneer legacy and lasting impact on machining.
The EMO exhibition is a very important trade show for us. We have been participating for over 50 years at the EMO show. We have been there at the first stage in 1975, where Fritz Weber, our founder, personally presented his important innovation with the collet.
In a world of high-speed machining, AI-driven automation and digital twins, powRgrip empowers manufacturers to meet the demands of precision machining. At EMO Hanover 2025, innovation is engineered.